nice.
Sometimes they leave like 1,000 euro in tips.
Oh my 1,000
Yes.
euro tip. Oh my god. कभी कभी दानी को 1,000 यूरो टिप भी मिलती है कैसीनो से.
In winter, the government helps with the electric bill.
तो जनाब मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा इस वीडियो में कि अगर आप आयरलैंड में काम करते हैं तो आप कितने पैसे कमाते हैं और दानी कितने पैसे कमा रही है. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am with my friend. She come from Ireland and her name is Dani. आप इसको you can talk. आप इसको कुछ भी कह सकते हो, okay? And today she will explain you why she came to Portugal, Lisbon, and what's going on. Here you go, Dani. You can say whatever you want. You are free.
In Portuguese?
In Portuguese or in English or in Indian, in Pakistani or in any other languages.
Salam alaikum.
Oh my god. Okay. Walaikum salam. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Esse mês é o meu aniversário. Eu faço aniversário agora em dezembro.
Você fala rápido. Você fala pouco devagar. Faz favor.
Pouco mais devagar.
Yeah, pouco mais devagar.
É meu aniversário. Birthday. In 27th of December. E eu tô fazendo essa viagem pra comemorar meu aniversário um pouquinho.
tá bem, então eu explicar, okay? तो दानी कह रही है कि वो यहाँ पे आई है, इसकी बर्थडे है दिसंबर में, तो वो इसलिए यहाँ पे आई है कुछ दिन के लिए. दिन का मैं फिर से पूछ लेता हूँ, ¿cuántos días você fica aqui?
4 dias.
सो 4. तो ये 4 दिन के लिए यहाँ पे आई हैं और मैं यहाँ पे वीडियो शूट कर रहा था, तो ये मुझे जानती भी हैं, काफ़ी पुरानी, तो ये इसलिए यहाँ पे आ गई कि चलो यार थोड़ा सा घूम फिर लें, और बहुत अच्छी हैं. ओके, हाउ इज द आयरलैंड?
It's an amazing place. I'm there to study English and work. I intend to be there for 2 years. I'm there 1 year already. I travel to 9 different countries.
Okay.
10 different countries in 1 year. And Ireland is amazing. Nature, people there, very welcoming. So I love it.
I think it's too much cold there.
It's very cold.
And this time
here,
there,
actually, it's amazing weather.
yeah, it is Portugal
cold
weather.
there.
Yeah.
I'm wearing sleeveless.
Yeah.
So in Ireland, not possible. Never in 1 year. Never.
Oh my God. आयरलैंड में जनाब आप इस तरह के कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सर्दी होती है, और ये अपने जो उनसे दोस्त के साथ भी आई हुई हैं. इसी वजह से यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है क्योंकि लिस्बन वेदर इज़ सो नाइस, सो डेट्स व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वांटेड टू विजिट हियर. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे ये सारा सीन होता है. लोग हर जगह से आते हैं, कोई यूके से आता है, कोई आयरलैंड, अमेरिका, पता नहीं कहाँ से, कनाडा तक से लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं. Você está aqui fazendo na Ireland agora?
Na Irlanda? O que eu tô fazendo?
Trabalho ou você está sem trabalho?
Eu trabalho.
Você trabalha com o quê?
Eu trabalho em um cassino.
Cassino? Oh my God! ये जब कैसीनो में काम करती हैं वहाँ पे आयरलैंड में. Mas se você trabalha na Ireland ganha muito melhor, mas Portugal não.
Sim, é mais do que aqui.
Oh yeah.
The minimum wage in Ireland now per hour, I think it's 12.70.
12.70 per hour.
Yeah.
That's so nice. That's so cool, huh? So, você consigo dinheiro todas horas, huh?
Sim, eu consigo fazer dinheiro suficiente pra viajar, pagar as minhas contas.
Uau!
E viver, assim, é muito bom.
Mas você trabalha uma semana quantos dias?
Eu trabalho 4 vezes na semana.
4 vezes? Só 4?
Sim. 10 horas por dia.
10. Okay. दानी ने बोला है कि she work only 4 days. 1 week, 4 days. और हर रोज ये 10 घंटे काम करती है. 10 horas?
10 horas.
तो ये 10 घंटे काम करती हैं और इनको जनाब 12 से 13 यूरो मिलता है. There is include some tax imposta or not?
Yes.
Can you explain to my audience, please?
Oh my God, I don't know if I'll be able to explain in English, but let's try, okay? Yeah. So if you work, and there's an amount of money that you can earn during the year, the whole year. And if it's more than 45,000 euro, you get taxed 40%.
Okay.
But the normal rate is 20%.
It's 20%. Okay.
Yes. So every month is 20%. But here's the thing: in Ireland, the government it has a lot of help. It helps a lot the population. So you have a kind of credit tax.
Yeah.
So you don't even pay the 20% because
okay.
you have the amount of
Here,
money.
here. You have to look
Oh.
on the camera.
You have amount of money per year from the government to help you to pay your taxes.
Ah, that's
So
nice.
yeah, so you don't even pay the 20%.
Mhm.
And if you make more than 45, everything that is more than the 45, it's taxed on 40%, and the rest of it it's 20%.
Wow.
So, but people complain a lot about
Still complaining?
Yes.
Wow.
People complain a lot about the taxes, but everything works well.
Mhm.
So
And you know, in Portugal, if you work here, you have to work like it's too much work, and you will get maybe 5 or 6 euros. Okay, and look, it's too much difference.
hour?
Yeah, per hours. Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
Oh my
because
God.
this is Portugal.
oh my god, no.
And one question, Danny, in December, do you get some double salary or something in Ireland?
Oh,
Because in
no.
Germany we get. Here,
like the third salary.
yeah, third
Yeah,
salary.
in Brazil we have that. In Ireland, no. But I love the work scheme in Ireland because, for example, I'm here in Portugal for 4 days, and it's day off. I didn't get any holidays request or anything. It's just because I got the 4 days in a row during the week.
Yeah.
So it was able for me to come here.
Ah, okay.
So this is a very nice thing, but you receive the hours you work. There's no double payment.
okay.
But you know, during the winter, the government helps with the electric bill
Okay.
and this kind of thing. So it's very nice. Some companies they pay a bonus, but it's not on the law. They pay because they want to be a nice company for the
yeah,
employees.
yeah,
These kind of things.
Mhm.
Yeah, but no bonus.
But overall, Ireland is nicer.
Yes, I love it, and I like hiking. I like nature. There's a
Wow.
lot of nature. It's cold.
And Danny, do you want to go to India or Pakistan?
Oh my God, I would love to
Wow.
go. Now that I've been to some countries here in Europe, I really want to travel more the Asian
Yeah.
part, and I would love to go to Mongolia.
Wow, nice.
Because in Ireland, there's people from all over the
All
place.
over the place,
Yeah,
yeah.
all over the world. So I've met a lot of people from Pakistan.
Yeah.
I have some customers from Pakistan in the casino, and they are very nice. They are actually the only nice people in the go, and they teach me. So
Wow.
well, they taught me salam alaikum and namaste.
You know, I have been there in casino many times, and I just want to ask you one question. For example, if somebody win a game or something, there is lots of tips or no?
Oh my God, sometimes yes. Let's see, this week, some customers, we had plenty of jackpots.
Okay.
12,000, 13,000, 22,000 euro. And sometimes they leave tips. If it's regular customer, because 90% of them is regular customer. And they know us, they know my name, they know...
Okay.
You know, so they like to give tips.
Yeah, oh, nice.
Sometimes they leave like 1,000 euro in tips.
Oh my, 1,000
Yes.
euro tip. Oh my God, कभी कभी दानी को 1,000 euro टिप भी मिलती है कैसीनो से. आज आपको ये भी बता दिया कि ये कैसीनो में काम करती हैं और वहाँ पे इनको अच्छे पैसे बन जाते हैं. और अगर आप आयरलैंड में काम करते हो तो कुछ कंपनी आपको डबल सैलरी दे देती हैं, जैसे कि दिसंबर में या जनवरी में, जैसे कि पुर्तगाल में भी मिलती है अगर आप अच्छी कंपनी में काम करते हो, क्योंकि ये पूरे ऑलमोस्ट यूरोप का ही रूल है. और फिलहाल इसको नहीं मिलती क्योंकि इसकी कंपनी इसको प्रोवाइड नहीं करती. यूश पिलिकारो मियो पेसोआ
बंदे दे पुर्ता बनो.
बंदे दे पुत्र बनो. तो तो
I
ये
don't know what it means. You guys tell me in the comments because I don't know what it means.
yeah, then try again.
Bande de Purta Beno.
बंदर अलग, बंदे दे पुत्र.
Bande de Purta.
Yeah, it's fine. So thanks a lot, and you can say anything else so we can make ciao and bye. Yeah.
Yes. Eu vou falar agora um pouquinho em português. É muito legal, adorei conhecer o Malik.
Yeah.
Adorei conhecer.
Muito prazer também.
Se inscrevam.
Oh yeah, it's really important. उसने कहा है कि भाई मुझे फॉलो शालो करें. So thanks a lot guys. आज आपको बता दिया थोड़ा आयरलैंड के बारे में. और दानी thanks a lot. Muito obrigado. And I love you all. दुआ में याद रखें. Keep supporting us.
Ciao.